Piny owacho ma kaunti ma Kiambu ochako chenro mar dongruok mar higni 5 mabiro muonyo kwan omenda maromo siling bilion 168 mageto kelo lokruok e kauntino mosebedo kodong' chien e weche mag dongruok. Chenrono mong'ere kaka The County Integrated Development Plan (CIDP) nochaki anga gi gavana ma Kiambu Kimani Wamatangi kendo osejuolo bajet gi siling bilion 52 kowuok e bilion 116. Chenro ma kamano keto maino e weche mag thieth, somo, pi, apida kod pur kitiyo gi teknolojia manyasani. Chenro ma kamano bende geto bero lwasi mar tuke kod jolony mopogore opogore.
Hata moja, hata mimi niliponea chupu chupu. Na maendeleo yangekwama. Wewe juzi tu umenipatia ardhi tujenge huduma center. Sasa nikienda itajengwa na nani? So give the entire team, including all the MCAs, please. Now they will start this today. They need time to accomplish this.
And unfortunately, the people of Kiambu start campaigning immediately after elections. And they start looking for another governor immediately after elections. But I really want to believe that this time we are going to change, because we also have a governor who is a survivor.
I have paid every single person who works in this county, any area they ever had, 100%, and to take it even forward, that we have even now paid people gratuity for time accrued even before they leave office. Kiambu County, tulikuwa tunakuwa ranked number 47 out of 47. For those of you that remember, that was our rank when I came in. 47 out of 47. Was hoping they would come in December. Wapate kwanza tumepanga vile sisi tumewekelea mipango yetu. By December they would have told, and they will tell a different story, because we are not going to be number 3. We are going to be number 1 overall.